Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, where we explore fascinating facts and quizzes about history. Today, we're focusing on one of the most powerful dynasties in India, the Mughal Empire. Let's test your knowledge with some quiz questions. Make sure to stay until the end and see how many you got right. First question, who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Options A, Akbar B, Babur C, Humayun D, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is B. Babur. He established the empire in 1526 after defeating Ibrahim Lodi at the Battle of Panipat. Second question, which Mughal emperor is known as Zinda Peer or the Living Saint? Options A. Akbar B, Aurangzeb C, Shah Jahan D, Jahangir. The correct answer is B. Aurangzeb. He was known for his austere lifestyle and religious devotion. Third question, the battle that marked the beginning of the Mughal Empire in India was options A. Battle of Khamwa, B. Battle of Panipat, 1526, C. Battle of Talikota, D. Battle of Chausa. The correct answer is B. Battle of Panipat, 1526. This battle was pivotal in establishing Mughal power in India. Fourth question, which Mughal emperor built the iconic Taj Mahal? Options A. Akbar B, Babur C, Humayun D, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is D. Shah Jahan. He built the Taj Mahal in memory of his beloved wife, Mumtaz Mahal. Fifth question, who succeeded Akbar as the emperor of the Mughal Empire? Options A. Shah Jahan B, Jahangir C, Aurangzeb D, Babur. The correct answer is B. Jahangir, Akbar's son, who continued his legacy and ruled from 1605 to 1627. Sixth question, which Mughal ruler is credited with establishing a new religion called Din-i-Ilahi? Options A. Humayun B, Akbar C, Aurangzeb D, Jahangir. The correct answer is B. Akbar. This religion was an amalgamation of various religious practices aimed at promoting unity. Seventh question, which emperor built the Red Fort in Delhi? Options A. Akbar B, Babur C, Shah Jahan D, Aurangzeb. The correct answer is C. Shah Jahan. This impressive fort became a symbol of Mughal architecture. Eighth question, which emperor's reign saw the construction of the famous Peacock Throne? Options A. Babur B, Akbar C, Humayun D, Shah Jahan. The correct answer is D. Shah Jahan. The throne was a symbol of opulence and power. Ninth question, which emperor was known for patronizing the arts and expanding Mughal painting? Options A. Aurangzeb B, Babur C, Jahangir D, Humayun. The correct answer is C. Jahangir. He was a great lover of art and nature. 10th question, who was the Mughal ruler during the Battle of Haldi Ghati? Options A. Akbar B, Shah Jahan C, Babur D, Jahangir. The correct answer is A. Akbar. The battle was fought against Maharana Pratap in 1576. If you are enjoying this quiz, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more content.